Happy morning, Guruji.
Happy morning, ma'am. Thank you for joining. So, good.
Thanks.
So done with your Canva.
Going on.
Huh?
Going on. What is going on, sir?
Oh, super. Good. So today onwards, we are going to start a new course.
Sorry, sir?
Today onwards, new course, school counseling.
Yes.
Yes, super. Yes. Good. So all are joining. Yes. Happy morning, Nandakumar sir. Happy morning, Yamini.
Happy morning.
Morning.
Happy morning, sir.
Yes. Thank you all for joining today's Happiness Club. So let me start with my favorite question. Are you all happy? Or are you trying to be happy or looking for happiness or acting happy?
Happy, sir.
Good.
Acting happy, sir.
Superb. That's fantastic. So the reason why we asked the question, it's just as usual, same thing. More than 90% of the people, not even 90, more than 98% of the people lies when we ask, how are you? Yes, I'm happy. I'm doing pretty much well. This is how the people are saying. Because numbers matters. So this is why there are psychologists like me who don't sit idly and they went back and asked, are they really happy or not? Okay, that's how we got a lot of research based statistical analysis, which shocks the astonishing numbers here, which made us the reason why we required to be happy actually. If you can see, there are 49 million people. It's just in India. It's not about the world. This is not the world statistics. It's just in India. Since we are into India, 49 billion people are suffering. Actually, they're not happy. 16% they are facing in issues, mental health issues, and 74% they are in stress. 88% are in worries. These are the facts. And believe me or not, the 150 million Indians are required mental health support. And that is the reason why I'm making you all a mental health practitioners. Remember, my dear friends, you are not just a participants here. I want you to become a mental health practitioner. At least you should make 1% to be happy. I would be more happy. That is the ultimate goal. Think of that thing. At least, am I making at least 1% happy every day? If you can make 1% happy, definitely you can make any person happy. Think of it. Because 1 in 5 people are feeling low. In fact, we ourselves will feel low sometimes. Agree? We are a five over here. One other moment, one of us feel low. That might be any reason. That is actually the fact. So that is the reason why we started this happiness club. And there is another shocking news is there is a beautiful concept of World Happiness Index which been published for the past decade across the world. And for our shock, India ranks 139th position out of 149 countries. All our neighborhood countries, being it Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, believe me or not, Pakistan, they are happier than us. They are much ahead of us. Why not we? It's not about comparing them. It's about what actually we are doing. We need to correct something. The reason why people are not happy, because they doesn't know how to be happy, or they don't know the various ways how to practice, how to learn and practice happiness. That is why I thought I should do something as a psychologist. I should create something. We have a tools for everything. So that's what we say as per the science. Let's create some tools. And those tools can help them their happiness and create an awareness. When I say an awareness, it's not just end by the words, it is through actions. That is the reason why we have come out with this concept of dose. I am giving a dose. Dose is a measurement of a medicine. Similarly, I am giving a dose of happiness to each and every human being, where the dose is an acronym of all the 4 happiness chemicals, starting with dopamine, which is also known as the reward chemical. Whenever you accomplish a task, you start appreciating yourself, you reward yourself. Yes, I have done it, I'll get it. Okay, you yourself have it. I finished this task. But sometimes we feel, oh, this is very big task, how can I do? Chunk it. Chunking in the sense, make it into a small part of activities. Any big task can be cut down into a small parts, small chunks, and finish one by one, so that you will get an instant gratification. You will feel satisfaction that yes, I am done. That's what the reward mechanism. That's how reward mechanism works. And start doing a self-care activity. Whenever you complete this small task, celebrate it. Yes, you did it. Wow, awesome. Do it for yourself and do it for your others. Okay. And start focusing on your self-care activities. People feel that doing a self-care activities is a selfish. Please avoid that myth. Every human being has 24 hours. Out of 12 hours is for yourself. 50% of the day is for the self. Out of that 12 hours, 8 hours is a mandatory for sleeping. Whether you like it or not, whether you have it or not, whether you can adjust it or not, if you can give 8 hours for sleep, you would be the healthiest person in this world. I am giving you on the empty bond paper with the sign, promissory note, the legal sign, I can do it. If you can spend 8 hours of sleep, it's not just lying on a bed and feeling you are sleeping. You should have a proper sleep. That's why I call it as a satisfied dreams. And do it for yourself. Then when it goes to 8 hours, 4 hours are there with you. Out of that 4 hours, 1 hour will go for food, 1 hour will go for your self recreational activities, and remaining 2 hours, 1 hour focus on learning something new, learning and practicing whatever it is, and 1 hour give for your exercises. This is how your day should be, the self-care activities. 8 hours sleep, 1 hour food, 1 hour self-recreational activities, 1 hour learning and practicing, 1 hour exercise. This is the five-point principle. So please follow this thing to be happy. And consuming the food. Always try to consume the food which you like it most. And while consuming the food, enjoy each and every sip. Don't eat in a hurry. When you eat in a hurry, your saliva doesn't get mixed with the food, where you doesn't feel the taste of the food. And when you eat the food, enjoy the beautiful visuals. Enjoy the smell. Enjoy the hot touch. Activate all your sensory organs while consuming the food and enjoy each and every bit. Then your digestion system will work properly and you'll be more happy having the food. You'll enjoy it. Coming to the next chemical, oxytocin, which is also known as the love hormone. If you want to get the love, first you should learn how to give the love. To learn the art of giving love, the best suggestion is to play with the kids, to be with the senior citizens, holding their hands and having a pets in your home and play with them, hugging your family members and giving a compliment. Wow, superb. I appreciate it. So we have given an assignment for all of you people to start creating your own alphabet appreciation vocabulary. I'm so happy to see Nandakumar sir and Yamini has finished that assignment. For an example, write A to Z letters. For A, awesome, adorable. B, bravo, brilliant. C, charming, cute. D, dedication. E, enjoy. Like this. You write a positive vocabulary where you can compliment others. You practice it every day. When you practice positivity, always remember your surroundings will be more positive. Coming to the third hormone, which is a serotonin, which is also known as the mood stabilizer. There's a beautiful myth that only women have a lot of mood swings. It's still a myth because male also will have a lot of mood swings. They never show it, they just showcase. To overcome these mood swings, we need to do a lot of a simple and powerful exercises such as meditation, running, walking, swimming, and cycling. When I say walking, always prefer to walk on a barefoot without slippers, and during the morning and evening times when you get a good sunlight, not during the afternoon times where you get a sunstroke. Okay, so the best options, the better options for the walking is, the first option is walking along with the beach, enjoying the beautiful sea and the beach sand and all. Second option is walking in a park, enjoying all the trees, kids, happy smiles, everything. The third option is walking in the farming fields, enjoy the beautiful greenery, farming crops. And the fourth option is walk along with the roadside trees, enjoy it. If you don't have anything else, you just walk in your home garden, have a garden in your home, enjoy it, touch the trees, hug the trees, feel it. Believe me or not, when you hug it, when you touch it, even the tree or a plant will feel your touch. It will enjoy. If you do it every day, that will grow like anything. There is a beautiful concept in Africa. Whenever somebody has did a mistake in their community, they choose a tree, they started scolding the tree every day. Within 21 days, the tree will die. If you have a doubt, go and Google it. That is the beautiful concept that Africa, because they don't want that person to die. That is the reason why in Africa they do it, and every day, everyone in that community, they go and scold the tree. But the tree, whatever how much big the tree it is, that will die in 21 days. That is the power of positive words. That is the power of positive approach. If a tree can die, why not? But we keep on scolding our kids every day. நீ உருப்பட மாட்டாய், நீ உன்னால எதுவுமே சாதிக்க முடியாது, நீ போயிடு, சத்துரு, இப்படிதான் பேசிட்டே இருப்போம். That's not a good thing. So we need to start practicing the positivity. And fourth thing, endorphin, the painkiller. The world's most consuming drug is the painkiller. We take painkiller as much as we can for everything and anything. Please, if you can start focusing, learning and practicing these exercises, you'll never ever have to consume the painkillers. Starting with the laughter exercise, one of the beautiful exercises which we do at the end of the session, the essential oils, fatty acids and the groundnut oil, which always used to help you to avoid the heart attack also, cardiac arrest. And watching a comedy shows, being it a Charlie Chaplin, Tom and Jerry, Siri Siri, there are many channels. Consume the dark chocolate if you get a original one. Again, feel it, enjoy each and every sip, like a Dairy Milk ad. and do exercise, whatever you like it. So, are you all ready to practice happiness
Yes,
now?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, fantastic. I request you to leave your devices, keep it away, close your eyes, take a long and deep breath, inhale. You are listening to only my voice. You are listening to only this soothing music. Take a long and deep breath, inhale. Think of yesterday, whatever happened from the morning till the evening. Think of all the activities, recollect them. Recollect all those activities and pick one, the best moment, which made you so happy. So happy for the day during that moment. You go to that moment. You go to that moment, you are into that moment. Now, recollect who are all there with you during that moment. Recollect what are all the sounds you can listen. Recollect what are all the visuals you can see. Recollect what are all the feelings you had that moment. Recollect what are all the touches you feel, the smell, everything. Activate all your five sensory organs during that moment. Now, recollect the beautiful smiley face on your face. Now, slowly take your right hand, right index finger, and start drawing that smiley face, beautiful smiley face on the air. So, whatever you write on the air, there is one of the beautiful therapeutic approach which will make you to impress that, bring that impression forever. And now look at that beautiful smiley face which you drawn and take that smiley face as a mask to your face. Wear it. Now you are into that happy moment. Now you are feeling that happiness smile. Now slowly exhale. Start blinking your eyes and look at the wide screen in front of you. Just touch on it. You can see a small pen or pencil on the left bottom. Select that pen or pencil, choose the color which you would like, and start drawing the smiley face. Whatever the smiley face you drawn on the air, you draw it on the screen. Make it as beautiful as you can because you are more happy. The beautiful, the smiley is more powerful. Start drawing your smiley. I see Dhanlakshmi ma'am started drawing her smiley face. Yamini has started drawing her smiley face. Nanda Kumar has started drawing. Good, 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 good. Happy to see. Vijay ma'am, are you starting your smiley? Yes, yes, yes. Superb. That's fantastic. Even I started drawing my smiley face here. Once you are done, we can raise your hands so that we'll go to a next activity. superb, superb. Thank you, Yamini. So I think so all of you finished drawing. I don't see anyone drawing here. Now leave your devices. Keep it aside. Sit in a comfortable position. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. Now think of one task which you want to do today to make you so happy. So whatever the task you want to do, think of the task which will make you so happy for today. And to do that task, what are all the things you required? What are all the aspects? Who are all the people you want to have it to do this task? And how you feel and how you want the task to be. Think of all those aspects. Think of everything and everyone who want to have around that while doing the task. And design that action plan. Design it as beautiful as you can that makes you so happy so that you can make your day more beautiful and powerful. Now, once you design the task, take your right hand, right index finger, and start drawing the same happy moment of the day on the air. Again, one of the beautiful therapeutic approach. Start drawing that beautiful happy moment of the day on the air. Design as beautiful as you can. Design it. Now look at the drawing. Now slowly open your eyes and take up the same drawing on the screen now. Do it as beautiful as you can. Start, select your pen, choose your colors, whatever the colors you'd like to, and do it as beautiful as you can. So the screen is yours. Go ahead. You can zoom on your name box alone and you can do it. You can start drawing it. Yes, go ahead. Yes, I see Nandakumar has started. Then Lakshmi ma'am has started. Good. Since the childhood, we've been so happy when we look at the green color tick mark from our teacher. And here, I'm making you happy. I'm giving you happiness by giving you a green color tick mark. I see Yamini started drawing, Vijay ma'am started drawing. Beautiful. I'm sending my love, unconditional love for all your happy moments. I wish all your happy moments of the day comes true. You can see a beautiful love, unconditional love in front of your name. And I'm giving you a golden star for all your beautiful happy moments of the day because you are the star performer of the day. You are the best and you are the great in this world. So you should believe in yourself. Yes. Go ahead and rock it. The day is yours. No one else can live in your life. You can make it possible. Yes, you are the best and you are the great. Wow, awesome. See how a white color screen is become a beautiful, colorful canvas. I'm so happy to see all your happy moments of the day. You are rocking. That's fantastic. Keep rocking. Go ahead. The day is yours. Superb, superb. Make it so beautiful, so powerful, because this is your task. You are going to do it today. Accomplish it as you want. Superb. Let's see. Most of you have finished. Yeah, still I see. Then Lakshmi ma'am, Vijay and Yamini is doing yes, yes. Go ahead, go ahead. Superb. 3 participants have raised their hands. Then Lakshmi ma'am and Yamini, you are drawing on your name. Superb, superb. You can draw on the top. Yes, yes, yes. That's fantastic. I see Vijay ma'am has finished. So shall we start? Now. Now the task is, here you see, this is the OTP. You are done with the superb drawing. Now it's time for OTP. OTP means observe. Observe the drawing of others. For example, Nandakumar sir will observe Dhanalakshmi ma'am's drawing. Dhanalakshmi ma'am will observe Yamini's drawing. Yamini will observe Vijay ma'am's drawing. Vijay ma'am will observe Nandakumar sir's drawing. Observe it. Once you observe, you start thinking why they have drawn this picture, because we asked you to design your happy moment of the day. When I say observe, remember to observe each and everything properly. For an example, Nandakumar sir, the bird, the fish, the lake, the birds, sun, trees, everything. You are not supposed to leave anything. You should observe everything in this picture and think why they have drawn this picture in your mind. It's a self-talk. We call it as a background talk or auditory digital talk. It's a self-talk. You are not supposed to tell to anyone. You ask yourself why they have drawn this. Think of it by asking the question why. Then you predict. Oh, you predict yourself. You don't need to ask anyone. You predict yourself. This might be the reason that they have drawn this picture. Okay, this is what they want to do to be happy. So, when you predict it, feel that moment. Okay? Feel it from your heart, feel it from your mind, and you create one positive plan of action. What they can do based on your observation of your drawing and thinking and prediction, you design a positive plan of action in one sentence. Ma'am or sir, you do this thing to be happy. That's it. Only one sentence. No need to describe about drawing. No need to tell anything about the drawing. You just tell them what they are supposed to do in a direct sentence. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we start?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Nandakumar sir, over to you.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Happy morning, Dhanalakshmi ma'am.
Happy morning, sir. Thank you.
இன்னைக்கு வந்து நீங்க வந்து ஒரு நல்ல உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச ஒரு ஃபேவரட் டிஷ் நல்லா தயார் பண்ணி சந்தோஷமா மகிழ்ச்சியா பிடிச்ச ஒரு நபருக்கு வந்து அதை நீங்க கொடுங்க மேடம். Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Super.
Yamina.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Okay. Yamina, good morning. நீங்க நல்ல சூரிய உதயத்துக்கு வெளியில வந்து நல்ல நடை போட்டு சந்தோஷமா இருங்க.
Super. Thank you, ma'am. Yummy for Vijay, ma'am.
Anna, am I audible now?
Yes, yes, yes. You are audible. Pretty much audible. Yes. Go ahead, Yamini.
Yeah. Happy morning, Vijima. You can go to the library nearby. You can
Thank you.
favorite sit over. Yeah, spend your time with books now.
That's fantastic.
Thank you
That's
so much.
fantastic. So, Vijay, ma'am, for you, Nandakumar sir.
Good morning, Nandakumar sir. Today,
Good morning, ma'am.
you try and spend time for yourself, for your own self, introspecting about what you want to do and stuff like that. Spend time alone for at least an hour. Either you meditate or you sit idle, that also is fine. And relax and experience that moment for yourself, sir.
That's fantastic.
ma'am.
That's fantastic. Awesome. Superb. So, we are done with the smiley challenge to retrospect our yesterday, to see what went well and what is the best moment. And we projected it and we took that, we drawn that smiley face and we wear that smiley face now to be happy, and we predicted our today with the happy task of the day, and we drawn it and we shared the positive plan of action with others. Now it's time to practice few simple and powerful exercises which will make us happy. Are you all ready? So the first exercise is a self-appraisal. Appreciation is essential for everyone and everything. Start appreciating yourself. This is also known as a bedtime exercise. Whenever you wake up and whenever you go to bed, on the bed, start appreciating yourself because you are the best and you are the great. It's very simple. Take your left hand, keep it on your right shoulder. Take your right hand, come on, say Shaba, 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 Shaba. Once again, Shaba, 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 Shaba. Once again, Shaba, Shaba, Shaba. 3 times. Okay, always remember. Now it's time for a gratitude exercise. Gratitude should be the part of our attitude. Always remember to say thank you, not the thanks. When you say thank you, you are representing the person whom you are conveying your gratitude. A thanks is for annoyed persons. It's an annoying gratitude. So always learn to say thank you and let us thank everything and everyone who made us happy. Okay? With an unconditional love. You should be wide open your hands, reverse, take the unconditional love from the world, across the world. Cross your hands, hold that unconditional love in your hands. Twist and down, twist and up. Bring it closer to your heart to keep inside safely. Have a locker inside your heart to hold that unconditional love. And let's thank everything and everyone from the bottom of the heart. On the count of 1 to 4 and 4 to 1, inhale and exhale, abdomen breathing. On count start, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3. Next, chain. Now, slowly release your hands. Start blinking your eyes and look at the screen with a beautiful smile on your face. Now it's time for self-hug. To be happy, we need to practice self-love. How you can love yourself with the unconditional love which you have saved inside your heart. Now, self-hug, hugging the people actually heals a lot. Okay? Take a long and deep breath, wide open your hands, and slowly exhale and hug yourself with an unconditional love. Feel each and every cell of your body feels that love. Be happy. Now slowly inhale and wide open your hands And again, exhale and interchange your hands and hug yourself with an unconditional love. Feel that warm hug. Feel it in each and every cell of your body. Move your body as such you are hugging someone. Okay? Now slowly release your hand. Start blinking your eyes and look at the screen with a beautiful smile on your face. Do it as many times as you can till you release and relax yourself. Okay? Now it's time to choose the happy task of the day. Being it eating, looking at the stars, watching TV, dance, listening to music, cooking, doing your household activities, drawing, gardening, whatever it might be, whatever makes you so happy, choose it and do it. Feel the joy of happiness. Okay, now it's time for the famous, the ultimate laughing exercise, alphabet laughing exercise. Till now it's my turn. Now it's our laughing master turn. He is so angry man. He's not as laughing as he is looking. If you don't laugh as he instructed, he will come out of the screen, hug you and kiss you like anything to kill you. And he will get the beautiful stamps also. Okay, sellotapes to cover that wounds and all. Don't worry. Okay, let us start our laughing exercises as a nursery school kids. Okay, we should say like a nursery kids, behave like a kids. You are a kids now. Ready? Start with the alphabets. Ready? Start with the beautiful facial expressions, body movements, everything. Ready? Start. E. O. E. Hey. I. Oh. Ow. How. Aha. Haha. That's fantastic. That's fantastic, my dear kids. Now it's time to sing a song with the beautiful body movements. Ready, start from the Maya Bajaj song. Okay? Ha 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 ha. Hee 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 hee. Ho 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 ho. Hey 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 hey. Ha hi ha hi ha hi hi. Ho 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 ho. Ha ho ha ho ha ho. Hum ha 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 hum hum. Ha hum ha 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 hum hum. Ha hum ha 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 hum ha 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 hum ha 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 ha. Now it's time for villain laughing. Come on, say, laugh like a villain. Ha 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 ha. Now it's time for laughing exercise. Raise your hands up. Laugh like anything. That is fantastic. That's fantastic. See how that laughing master is happy after looking at your laughs. Superb. Now it's time for choosing a random acts of kindness to be happy So you will be happy and you can make others happy. Nothing costs you. It's a matter of spending your time. Okay? Thank you for smiling. Do you have more smiles for me? Do you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have a lot of smiles for you.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you for practicing the happiness. Please start teaching with your family members and teach with your practice.